Ladies Chica, Donnie and Belle wedding has fans completely losing it. After years of keeping their relationship private, the couple may have just given everyone the biggest surprise yet. From their undeniable chemistry to the love they've shared through the years, the idea of Donnie and Belle finally saying I do feels like the Philippine showbiz love story fans have been waiting for. At may nakapag-leak nga ng kanilang mga ilang picture pero nabura na ngayon. Shout out to whoever leak Belle and Donnie's wedding.